This week I've got a big commercial job that I'm doing. I'm going to be pressure washing the loading dock, the front walkways, and restriping the parking lot of a local supermarket. I'm starting out with the loading dock, put down some degreaser to break up any material that's on the ground. I'm going to surface clean it out, then give everything a good rinse. Later on in the week, I'll have the rest of the video up where I'm going to be cleaning the front walkways, and this will be my first striping video, so if you'd like to check that out, give us a follow. I appreciate all of your time, and everyone have a happy Easter.